Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to fix the error try again later. We restricted certain activities to protect our community on Instagram. So if you're facing this error on Instagram, how it basically occurs is if you spam likes on a video again and again like this. So here you can see the error will occur, or if you follow and unfollow a person again and again, the error might be shown. So you should avoid doing that, and if you'll avoid doing that, Instagram will not show you this error again. So if that doesn't work, what you have to do is you just have to come back to your home screen and then tap and hold on to your Instagram application and then tap on app info. After tapping on app info, just tap on storage and cache and then clear cache. And after clearing cache, what it basically does is it will clear any bugs or problems that you are facing on your Instagram. And after doing that, you just have to restart your device once. And after restarting your device, your problem might be fixed. So if you think this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.